digital remote sensing. Today, I will discuss how to download ArcGIS 10.4 or 10.3 software and this software how to install session process. But first, I start how to download ArcGIS 10.3 software. So have this Google for the ArcGIS software. Here, to enter, open this. There is the site Geographical Information System and download ArcGIS 10.4 Plus. So click this link and open this Geo Solution page. So there is the open of this download of the ArcGIS 10.4 and etc. I download ArcGIS 10.3 and desktop and full frame. So there is the ArcGIS 10.3 desktop and full frame. Go to the installation and download. So there is this ArcGIS 10.3 desktop and full frame. So this is the download ArcGIS 10.3 desktop and click this link and download. So run this download and next there is the download license manager. So there is the download of this license manager and next there is the download of this path file. So there is this download of this path file. So this is the download of there is the how to install ArcGIS 10.3 desktop full crack software. So go to the download on this site. This is the download and ArcGIS 10.3 download. So open this software. There is the ArcGIS license manager and there is the ArcGIS desktop and there is a package. So at first I just install the license manager of this Windows. License manager, click this license manager, open the file. So Officer Environmental System Research Institute. So run and please select the destination folder. I choose the C drive and another use of this file to select this file and next. So there is this run of this ArcGIS license manager. This is the close. So open the license manager setup program. Next, I accept the license and agreement. Read this important agreement and next. And destination folder. And this is the C drive. Change this file and next and install. So there is the finish. So open the ArcGIS license server administrator to start and stop license service. There is stop this process and OK. And next there is the ArcGIS desktop. So next there is the ArcGIS desktop. Click right click on this ArcGIS desktop. So do you want to run this file? Run. So please select the destination folder. So another change this file to browse and change this folder. Next, so extracting data. So installation file have been successfully extracted to your computer and post this is yes. So welcome to ArcGIS desktop setup program. Next, and I accept the license and agreement. So important read this carefully. So list and next, next, install. To complete this, desktop has been successfully installed and finish. To define the license manager letter from the ArcGIS administrator, click and OK and OK. So next step is the license of this and service. So there is the input of this PC name. So go to this PC and properties and change setting to change. There is this computer name and copy this computer name and paste here, paste and file and save. Copy to this file and go to the local disk C program file ArcGIS license bin and paste here. So paste this license manager here and next go to the license manager is complete and next to the desktop bin and copy this file and paste this local disk C and program file. This is the ArcGIS and desktop bin and paste this here, paste here and go to ArcGIS. So complete this install and ArcGIS. So there is the ArcGIS, ArcMap, ArcSyn. So there is the open file location and go to parent to desktop shortcut and ArcSyn then to desktop shortcut and ArcGroup. So there is the three installation of this ArcMap, ArcSyn, ArcGroup. Open this ArcMap. So open this ArcGIS. So I edit and there is this another tools of this software. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel